Here's the backboard. There you go. Good job. Nice. There you go. See, this is so easy to do. As far as installation, you're just gonna clip these little red hooks on the rim here, and then you hook the net to it, and then you just connect the screws through the backboard and through this pole right here with a washer and a nut. And then for putting this on something, I have it on something thin and it's holding really well. It's pretty sturdy up there. You can tighten it obviously to make sure it's really nice and tight. And if it's something thicker, you can do that as well, because you would just have this obviously farther down because of the thickness. So it can support a decently thick type of item that you may have or want to put it on, like a desk, or really you can put this wherever. And then if you don't want it on something like I did, you can actually take it off and put it on this little suction cup. And I would just like wash the bottom when you first get it and wipe it before you like suction it. But then you can have this attached to the suction, and you can just grab it, you know, by the pole and carry this around with you, bring it outside, bring it really anywhere you want to, and just kind of like set it up. I know like if you have kids that play basketball and that they're always like maybe doing traveling or something, and you have younger siblings, it's really good to, you know, sometimes they want to play too. So you could just like put this on the pole and then carry this around with you. It's not like crazy big, so it's like something nice and simple to do and bring it around and keep the activity going. And like I said, it does come with 2 different basketballs, and it does also come with the inflator, which is right here, and it was super easy to inflate. My 4-year-old son actually helped inflating them because he thought it was fun. So thanks for sending me this to review.